Twelve, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
The primary entry point system has issued a civil emergency message for New York City until further notice. If you were watching us around, popped up saying something about some group of people coming to the area. We do not know anything about where the broadcast came from, but with the details seen, it looked like a cartoon world in the background with cartoony music playing. At this time, we will be investigating the New York area, as weird sounds have been heard near stores with posters of objects. Please make sure you do not have these types of posters or signs, as they may be harmful.
The primary entry point system has issued a shelter-in-place warning for Philadelphia, until further notice. A few minutes ago, objects in the area have been spotted growing limbs, and talking. A portal has also opened up and a gray speaker box has come out and started speaking. 2. Never before has this happened, and we do not know what to do at the moment, but the police are trying to contain these objects. Lock your doors, seal all entrances, cracks, or anything that a person can exit in. Make sure you do not go outside.
Hello everybody. I am announcer from BattleForDreamisland. You may not have heard of that show before, but we will host some challenges for our fellow contestants, the objects, here on your Earth. Please do not interfere with the competition, as if you do, let me say, something will happen to all of the United States. Thank you for complying.
The primary entry point system has issued a local area emergency for Philadelphia County in Philadelphia, Berks County in Philadelphia, and all other counties in Philadelphia. Announcer, and the group now referred to as the objects have started attacking all of America. If you are just tuning in, the objects are a group of objects that are alive and talking. They can talk. This is not a test or a joke, they can talk. We do not know how, but we've also gathered other information about these objects. They come from a web series called Battle for Dream Island by JacknJellify on YouTube. This series features these exact objects competing for Dream Island. They do various and weird challenges. At this time, we have determined to not watch Battle for Dream Island. I repeat, do not watch Battle for Dream Island. Make sure your home is barricaded and locked. The government of the United States has declared a national emergency. Stay inside your homes. Throw out any objects you have. Most of these objects can't be handheld, but just to make sure, use a container and put all your objects that can be used.
Do not pay attention to the last alert. Everything is fine. Nothing is happening. Nothing is